Hi, I'm Harry from H18 Sons, and here is Cafe Hokanjo in Fairfield. And today, I'm going to talk about the recipe. Before we get started, it's really important to involve your coffee roaster or coffee representative to building your coffee recipe. So why the recipe is important? For two main reasons. Number one, if you create a really nice flavor, we want to replicate in the future. Number two, if something is not quite right with the flavor of the coffee, having a recipe is make it easier to improve. So what is a recipe? It's grams of coffee in and grams of espresso out, and time and temperature. So your extraction time is the time it takes from when you press the button to when you finish the extraction. So temperature is the temperature of your water to extract your coffee. So now we are having the recipe. It's going to be important to keep the diary to record that recipe so we can use the information for the future. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you found some information is useful, and I see you in the future.